Welcome to Reading Rakshana. Today we're going to read the book Bear and Bird. Learn to Share by Jonny Lambert. Bear and Bird shivers as snowflakes fell. It's cold today. Snow had fallen on the distant hills. Winter was on its way. The animals searched for juicy fruit. It was a time to hibernate. But Bear gathered every ripe berries he could. There was no time to wait. Bird chased after the greedy bear and chirped, "Others need to eat." But Bear didn't want to listen to his advice, and he made a speedy retreat. Bird was upset with his best friend. "Bear, that's so unfair. All of our friends will go hungry if you are not willing to share." Clutching all the delightful berries, Bear turned and ran for home. "I am a hungry bear who needs lots of food. Please, just leave me alone." The next day, Bear looked out at the forest. It was white and dusty with snow, but Bird was nowhere to be seen. Where on the earth did he go? Bear was worried, so left his cave, and he searched for Bird, high and low. He scattered his tasty food, leaving a trail, and he piled berries high in the snow. Bear was sad. Bird must be starving. He's flown away. But Bear? Looking up, he heard a high-pitched chirp. "Thank you for the food, kind Bear." All of the animals were back at Bear's cave. They would follow the trail of foods. Bear felt very bad of taking it all. He now knew it was wrong and a little bit rude. His forest friends forgave him because he really seems to care. As they played outside in the freezing snow, Bear agreed it's a good to share. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.